I'm sorry, puppy.
See how much stuff this dude has?
What?
Minus 99. Uh-oh, somebody did. It's invisible and jump off the building.
SVA, Burlington and Oakville. No, it's issued.
Then show me.
There it is.
Fuck.
That's your point. That is your point, everybody. Let's go.
Oh shit, Tom. Did you capture it?
I'm recording that right now.
I'm recording you.
November 9th.
That's gonna be fun.
Here we go. It's for Conaden. We're about to have a double header inbound. 3, 2, 1. Are you kidding me, Leviticus? Hello? Wait up. Are you kidding me, Leviticus? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, shoot, I realized I'm looking at SVO! Alexa, read my notification.
One new notification. From Amazon. Environment Canada has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hamilton. It will be in effect until around 12:21 a.m. EST.
Well, figure that's the problem. By the way, Easy really took some time to get into program.
Okay, I'm gonna stand line. It's
My Leticus just failed again. This does include St. Catherine's.
Oh, sucks.
Hold on, I'm gonna try and get it. Nope, can't get it. Oh well. By the way, Leticus failed. You failed 2 times in a row. You donkey piece of shit.
It's for everywhere else in your region.
Tornado warning! Oh, frick!
The following is a message from the Canadian National...
Oh, hell!
At 10:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for the Golden Horseshoe area of Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised and underneath the following localities: Mississauga and Caledon. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking an area of severe thunderstorms that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System. Now, back to our regular programming.
Oh my god, I was not ready for this! Tornado warning on my Leticus! And even my Capella and my W120! Holy crap! Down standard! We all get it! Wait, what? Canada and New Market? Wait a minute. Why did it just include Canada? What? I am not happy! Shut your fucking baloney up! Eton! You check! I have lunch for you now! What? Oshawa! I think this is an outbreak, F5. Jesus.
I don't know what is going on. Did you get the SPR?
I did get it on channel 4. Are you kidding me right now? Are you serious? I finally dealt with your problem! Okay, shut up. Shut up!
SPR. Is that another fucking SPR?
Oh, it's Oshawa now!
They just issued another one.
Thanks a lot, Environment Canada. Let me chat!
Is that another SPR?
Yes.